Hi! In front of me is TCL for the next paper, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Following that, scroll down again, click on refresh rate, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. When you finish, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my TCL has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!